Hey you guys. Okay, so I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to use the Money app, aka MetaTrader4. So I'm going to go back out and I'm going to go back in it, MetaTrader4. So the MetaTrader4 app is what we currently use to place trades when we hit buy or sell and how we profit from the foreign exchange market. So just a few things. The main things, when you look at the charts, is going to look like a foreign language with all the numbers and the graphs. But ignore that for now until you pay for the training and learn how to use it. The main thing you want to do is at least know how to hit buy or sell. So to do so, we're going to go to quotes in the far left bottom, quotes, and then we're going to pick a pair. My favorite pair for newbies is the Euro USD, which is the second pair down from the bottom. We're going to hold our finger on it, long tap, and then we're going to hit trade. And when we hit trade, then it'll pop up this screen. We're not going to worry about the stop loss or the take profit for now. That's what you'll get from the expert educators who've already showed us time and time again how to create 6 and 7 figures just from taking their educated analysis of the market. So sell and buy are your two main things. Without the education, you have a 50% chance of being right, of hitting buy or hitting sell and being right. With the knowledge, the education of the educators, most of them are anywhere between 70, 80, and 90% accurate with their strategies. So for now, I'm just going to show you how to take your educated 50% guess. So let's look at Euro USD though, just so you can kind of see. I'm going to long hold it, long press it again and hit chart. And if we just looked at this chart, we can kind of see that it's going down for the most part. So if you were to sell this because you want to buy when it's low and sell when it's high, we can just hit sell on this and see where we end up. When you first hit it, it's automatically going to put you into the trade negative. So we're going to use this lot size and hit sell. It's going to automatically be negative, which simply means that, hey, it has to cover the spread, which is the difference between the ask and the bid price. But for now, it's just going to remain red until it covers that spread. And if you were right, typically within a few minutes to even an hour, it will turn blue, whereas it's showing that, hey, you're in profit. If you were wrong, which typically wrong is kind of a way to say the market always will turn around. So you will eventually be right, but to get the best entries, that's where the education comes in. So just knowing that, hey, I can hit buy, I can hit sell on this, and then I will be right 50% of the time without the education. So that is a quick tutorial showing you how to use the Money app until you pay for the education with iMarkets Live to learn how to become a self-sufficient expert trader. With the time being, you'll get access to the money products when you first get started. So that way, until you become an expert trader. And look, do you guys see the numbers moving? And it's in the afternoon, so they're going to move slow. But until then, you're not going to know everything there is to know until you pay for the education. Then once you pay, you'll at least have access to our money products, we have over 12 different ones that will give you trade signals to tell you when to hit buy, when to hit sell, and all of that great stuff. But you can see the money moving. The market moves in waves. It goes up and down, and it has to take breaks. And it's so funny. One of my favorite instructors, her name is Adeze Duncan. She uses the erect penis as an example. I'm like, whoa, what an analogy and what an example. It cannot stay erect for long, so it has to go down so the market moves in waves. Because people will be like, oh my God, my trade was blue, but now it's red, I'm losing. Nope, it just means the market is moving in waves. So just that quick example, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube for more value on everything with making money online.